let's get a look at some other stores and what you should be buying right now. Okay, let's talk about that one weekend chore we all do, grocery shopping. I've got a cart of items here, light shopper that I am, so I've got very few items, but I want to give you a sense of what you should be buying now that will make that grocery bill of yours lesser, that the amount you spend per month on groceries becomes lesser. So gentlemen, can I have you here with me to kind of describe for us what each item costs? Let's look at chocolates. How much are chocolates, Professor?
They come in the 5% bracket now.
Before?
They were in about 12%.
So they're cheaper now?
They're cheaper.
So then that means fun, sugary weekends for us because chocolates are cheaper. Let's look at ghee.
It's a 5% slab now. Earlier also it was 5, so nothing major changes on this. Open ghee still remain exempt.
So any dairy that becomes cheaper?
Sugar there has been reduced to 5%.
But dairy?
Dairy, milk
look at
earlier.
milk as well.
There was no GST, now also there is no GST.
No change in that?
No GST.
Okay.
So I see only shampoo otherwise has reduced from 18 to 5%.
Okay.
And
So then the biscuits, what about cookies? Cookies cheaper?
Yeah, this will be cheaper. Huh? This is
Cookies
a
are
5
cheaper?
cookies will be 5% only. No?
Chocolates are cheaper?
Cheaper 5% only.
Explain this to me. Cookies full of sugar, chocolates full of sugar, A-rated, more expensive?
Yes. No, I will not say more expensive. The same rate, 40% continue, but 12 to 28% plus cess.
So is this what they refer to when they say sin tax?
I mean, yes, there used to be a sin tax on this because the government wants to keep your health good. And they say anything aerated or carbonated and carry sugar.
Aerated, not for other drinks.
So juices?
Juices, no. If they're not aerated, they will be cheap.
Juice will be still in 5%. And but the moment, because this is not a juice and this is a aerated, and that's why it is a 40%.
So what you paid?
You get water which is aerated, that will go to the sin.
Oh, that becomes expensive.
Yes, aerated water becomes expensive.
So this is what it was earlier. There's no change in the rate in this. So I mean, I'm not going to pay out more, but I'm going to pay essentially what I was paying earlier. Diet Cokes, more expensive as well. But that's what I don't understand. Cookies which have so much sugar is going to be cheaper. So I don't know whether that's really a health perspective, but also other shopping items, shampoos, etc. also become
It
cheaper.
becomes cheaper. It is 18%. If you are buying for 500, you were paying 90 rupees, 590 rupees. Now you will be paying 525 rupees. And on this bottle, you will be saving 65 rupees.
Okay. So
Quite
that's
big
saving.
jump. And that's why I'm saying you, see what is happening from today onwards. If a normal consumer who has an income of rupees, say 1 lakh per month, and I believe 50,000 rupees is being spent on day-to-day consumer items on which he is paying GST. Earlier he was paying GST at the rate of 12% or 18%, and by and large it will come down to now 5%.
Yeah.
So saving of 7 or 13%, an average saving of 10% will mean 5,000 rupees per month saving, meaning thereby what he was buying for 50,000 rupees, he can buy 45,000 rupees, and he has an extra purchasing power of 5,000 rupees, and with nil tax of income tax, because 12 lakh rupees is otherwise exempt income, up to 1 lakh rupees.
So I have to do the math on that, but looks like I'm saving a lot of money. Grocery bills definitely I think will become cheaper. So if like I was buying something that looked like this, which is I think what every household budget and every household grocery items look like, a bit of personal items plus a lot of snacking plus a bit of aerated drinks or fruit juices, I'd say there's a good amount of reduction, a sizable reduction on grocery
Even
items.
chapati, rotis, pizza breads, they have been reduced to nil. Dry fruits, they've come down to nil completely. So you are going to save a lot on some of these items. The government has looked at the focus that how can we make India healthy with a Swadeshi flavor.
Is the biggest relief in groceries essentially, if you look at really the GST changes?
yes, I think they have tried to target the common middleman, and also if you talked about the sin tax, I'm touching it from the fact you see the hierarchy of the events. If you see, they want the youth to be healthy. They're trying to tax things which are aerated. they are trying to stop apps which are onto gambling. So they want the youth to be engaged, right? They want it to be to the public, and they also want to promote the Swadeshi movement.
That's great. That's great. Talking about sin tax, liquor still a sin. So that still has a sin tax on it. Liquor, cigarettes, and all of that.
I believe yes, because it has to be. You can't compare with an ordinary daily consumption item with a cigarette or tobacco, etc. Because government want to keep your health good also. That's an idea. One thing which you must keep in mind is that our total GST collection presently is 25 lakh crore around, and then 10% saving is going to be a big saving, and the government is estimating 2.5 lakh crore, putting more money in the hands of the common people, and that's a big.
But this, ladies and gentlemen, is perhaps the biggest festive gift from the Modi government. I'm talking about electronics. If you're looking to upgrade your TV, now's the time. Because TVs are cheaper. By how much? We'll talk to them. But it's not just TVs, several other household items as well, electronic I'm talking about. You can look to upgrade this festive season. Let's talk first about TVs. Look at this one, for example, 6 lakhs. What is the difference now, Professor?
You see, any television which is more than 32 inches, that has come down now in the 5%, 28 to 18%. So 10% relief is given.
Okay.
So let us say a television for 5 lakh rupees, which would have, 10% means about 50,000 rupees benefit is there. Now, most bigger televisions are ranging between 3 lakh, 4 lakh to even 10 lakh rupees. And the middle class is buying these televisions. I'm not talking of the rich or the super rich.
I agree.
I'm talking of the middle class which is buying these televisions. Any brand doesn't make a difference. And so if you're looking at a 10 lakh television, you're getting a relief of roughly 1 lakh rupees on that. If you're looking at a television of even about 20,000 rupees, so you're getting a 2,000 rupees.
So this doesn't have any sort of cap, limit, none of that.
No,
This is
yes,
for
the limit
TVs.
is- the limit is earlier 32-inch size screen,
Right.
and below was already in the 18% bracket.
So
So
now
above
everything is under-
32 and above is also brought into the 18%. So
Okay.
everything is now flat 18%.
So let's say I was buying a TV for about 5 lakh, you'd save about 50,000 if I'm not wrong.
On additional tax which is supposed to be paid.
So that's a big deal. That's a huge amount of saving. And then if you coax the salesman to give you a bit of a discount, that means you've got a huge amount of saving with you. Mr. Samir,
They want you to watch matches on a bigger screen. They want people to
I
upgrade.
mean, look at this. It looks like a theater at home.
Yeah, more than 32 inches TVs. They
But
want
besides that, I think washing machines, dishwashers.
refrigerators and dishwashers, they have gone down now into 18% slab.
So it's the same as the TVs then?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the best time
The
then.
TV has a cap of 32. Earlier, most of them were in 18%. 18%. Now what they have done is 32, more than 32 inches. Now they brought back 18% flat.
I'm glad there's no cap. I'm glad it's the other way around, that if you're looking at bigger, then you save money now, at
Yes.
least as far as TVs.
Yes, they want people to upgrade and watch
Which is
matches.
great.
Yeah.
And the same for washing machines.
Refrigerators and dishwashers.
And dishwashers.
Dishwashers.
So these two also, you get about a 10% difference.
10% relief,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So if you're looking to upgrade any of your electronics at home, now's the time, because it's much cheaper. It's a sizable difference that they just told me about. Like a 5 lakh TV, you'll save about 50,000 rupees now. So the biggest relief, clearly, you just heard from our experts, is mostly in your grocery items. That becomes much cheaper. If you're looking to go ahead and freak out and shop this festive season, it's definitely the right time, because a lot of it is a lot cheaper, which means you save a lot more money. But apparel, shoes, etc., you'll have to watch out for the brand to actually be able to get any relief. But we hope you found this broadcast helpful. We hope it helps you on your next shopping trip to the mall. This is Akshita Nandagopal signing off. Thanks very much for tuning in.